Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about extended length half inch flex head ratchet from Bahco. I don't remember exactly where it was made in. I think it was either made in Argentina or in Brazil. Yes, you heard right. Bahco owned factories both in Brazil and Argentina. And the quality is better than made in Taiwan or China in my opinion. Moving on, this ratchet is almost 45 cm or 17.7 inches long. The part number of this ratchet is 8110H. This ratchet has quite a weight on it. Nice shiny chrome finish. Handle is two component design. It is comfort grip handle. Black part is softer and the orange part is harder material. Handle has hanger hold too. Bahco logo on the orange part. Nice looking handle. Handle grip is nice and it is not too bulky. Here I got 3/8 snap-on ratchet. Bahco ratchet handle is thinner even though it is half inch drive. Since the handle is not too bulky, you can easily use pipe for extra leverage and it is still comfortable grip when using normally. This ratchet is solid and workmanship seems very nice. The shaft is flat style. Bahco and the letter extra are stamped on the shaft since it's made of high quality steel and extra forging process to make it extra strong. This is what Bahco claims. Even without using it, you can still feel it. It is a strong ratchet. Flex part is thicker to make it even stronger. It is fastened with a pin. I would prefer screw style pin like new snap-on or a Hazet ratchet. That way you can tighten the flex mechanism when it gets floppy. Selector switch is recessed. It is made of alloy metal and it is firm and strong. The ratchet gears are 30 teeth design. It has coarse teeth but it is smooth. Quick release button is well recessed and has smooth push mechanism. Let's try some socket. I got here USA made Bahco socket. Socket seated well and firmly. Normal wobble I would say. Flex mechanism is not floppy, which I like it. And this flex mechanism is quite versatile, especially in weird angles and can be used as a speed ratchet. I like the quick release push button mechanism. It is convenient with oily or greasy hands to release the sockets out of the ratchet. Let's bring other brands flex head ratchet and see how they look in comparison. I got here Hazet ratchet. Here is Stahlwille ratchet. I got here Kamasa ratchet. And here is extendable Facom ratchet. These are all our half-inch extended length ratchets. I have already reviewed all these ratchets on my channel. I put the link on the screen and on the description if you guys wanna watch them. Let's compare Bahco with the Stahlwille ratchet first. Stahlwille ratchet is a bit smaller in length and has significantly bulkier handle. Both are comfort grip. Ratchet head size are almost the same. Stahlwille ratchet has locking mechanism and can be positioned into 4 different angles. It is fine tooth. Gear counts are 80, whereas Bahco has 30 teeth gear. Stahlwille selector switch is very smooth. Both ratchets has nice and smooth quick release button. Bahco ratchet head is slightly thicker. I don't have normal extended length ratchet from Facom, so I bring this extendable ratchet. But I tell you guys, I like the versatility of extendable feature of Facom ratchet. This ratchet has same length when fully extended. Both have flat style shaft and thickness is almost same. Now the ratchet head of the Facom is significantly smaller. Facom selector switch is bigger but very smooth. It is also recessed. The quick release of Facom is also smoother. Facom ratchet head seems thicker, but if you consider the quick release button and the anvil, both are almost the same. Otherwise, Facom ratchet head is significantly narrower. Facom has 72 teeth when comparing to the Bahco 30 teeth design. Many of you guys probably never heard about Kamasa tools, especially people from America. Kamasa is a Swedish professional graded tool brand and they are really good quality tools. Coming to the ratchet, this Kamasa ratchet is around 61 cm or 24 inches long. Both ratchets are comfort grip. Kamasa ratchet has round shaped shaft. Now look at the ratchet head, how small and narrower the Kamasa ratchet head is. Kamasa ratchet has locking flex feature but cannot be free flexing same as Stahlwille, but it has several locking angles position. Kamasa ratchet has 72 teeth gear. Look at the head again, how small Kamasa ratchet head is. Now we got here Hazet ratchet. Hazet ratchet has more similarity to the Bahco one than the rest. Hazet ratchet has hard handle and bit thicker when comparing to the Bahco comfort grip. Hazet flex mechanism is floppy. Bahco one has better flex mechanism. Both ratchet head has similar size. Both selector switches are made of alloy metal and turning on and off has similar smoothness. Head thickness are identical to each other, but Hazet flex mechanism is thicker and has screw style fastener comparing to the pin style. Guys, both ratchets are beefier. Another difference is that the Hazet is non-quick release. Both ratchets seems to have similar design and both have 30 teeth gear. At the end, I would say Bahco ratchet has good impression. It feels nice and strong. I have used it once on a job replacing ball joint of a BMW. I would say it is robust design and it seems it will last longer. Okay guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like the video, consider to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.